Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit reports on Credit Karma. So let's get straight into the video. First off, we're going to talk about accessing your credit report. So how you're going to do that, you're going to log into your Credit Karma account, and then you want to click credit reports. So you want to click the credit report tab to pull that up, and you can view your credit report, which is based on data from TransUnion. Now, in understanding your credit report, there are a couple of things to take note of. The first up is credit report section. So your credit report is divided into sections, including things like personal information, credit accounts, public records, as well as inquiries. And also there is the credit account information. So review your credit account information, including your account names and numbers, account types, account statuses, and you also have payment histories. You also have inquiry information, so you can review your inquiry information, including the date of inquiries, type of inquiries, inquiring companies, and the likes. Also, you have the public record information, so you can review your public record information, including bankruptcies, foreclosures, tax liens, things like that. You can always just review your public records. Now, when it comes to monitoring your credit reports, you want to regularly review your credit reports to ensure that it's accurate and up to date. You also want to set up credit report alerts, so you can set that up so it alerts you. You're going to be notified whenever there's a change to your credit report. You also want to dispute errors promptly, so you got to do that promptly to prevent damage to your credit scores. Now, a couple of tips I got for you guys on monitoring your credit report on Credit Karma. The first, of course, is to check your credit report regularly. So you want to check your credit report regularly to monitor your credit health. You also want to review your credit report carefully to ensure that it's accurate and up to date. Also, you gotta dispute errors on your credit report promptly so as to prevent damage to your credit scores. And of course, you can use Credit Karma's tool and resources to help you improve your credit health. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.